Hi, I'm the herb guy. My top 3 herbs from each state. Arizona. And we're on to number 3, that being Arizona. So let's get started. Number 1, the elephant tree. Traditionally, the elephant tree has been used as a medicine since recorded history, and it has a wide range of uses. Native American people used the leaves for pain relief, inflammation, swelling, joint pain, arthritis, and wound healing. Some more recent science is showing how effective elephant tree is as an antimicrobial herb. It can eliminate some of the worst, such as Staphylococcus, E. coli, and some other drug-resistant bacteria. And then there's that little bit about how it's being tested against some of the most aggressive forms of cancer, and it seems to be effective against them. Now, to use elephant tree, the leaves and small twigs are used to make tea, powdered to make capsules, or made into an extract. Whatever works for you. Number 2 is Coreopsis. Now, this is a pretty awesome plant. It has a wide range of medicinal uses, which is no surprise, as Coreopsis is a member of the chrysanthemum family. Now, see my video on chrysanthemums if you want to know more about that. Traditionally, Native American people used Coreopsis for pain relief, wounds, sores, bites, stings, and women even used it as a means to help get pregnant. Today, newer science is showing that Coreopsis has many medicinal properties that show real potential. Like many herbs, Coreopsis is antioxidant, meaning it neutralizes and pulls free radicals from the body. It's showing promise in the effective treatment of diabetes and insulin resistance, helps lower blood pressure in people with hypertension, and even has some blood thinning properties. It's shown to have some pretty impressive anti-cancer properties too. The coolest thing about Coreopsis is that they have a powerful anti-aging benefits and have shown to help keep our telomeres from shrinking so quickly after replication. Essentially, meaning that the body ages just a little bit slower. Pretty neat, huh? Now, the entire plant is used, from the roots to the seeds and everything in between. You can eat them raw, make them into a tea, turn them into capsules, or even an extract. Whatever works for you. Number 3 is going to be agave. Technically, agave is a succulent, not a cactus. And the general rule of thumb on that is all cacti are succulents, not all succulents are cacti. The difference is in the leaves. Now, it's not really relevant for the video, but I just thought I'd mention it. Now, we're talking about the plant itself, not the cheap processed nectar, which isn't necessarily the same thing. Agave can be used internally and externally, and is a known wound healing herb. It's anti-inflammatory and a pain reliever. It can boost your metabolism, help burn off fat faster, and some studies have shown agave to have some pretty potent antimicrobial and anti-cancer compounds, making this plant much more than just a simple sweetener. Now, that's all I can do for this video today, and hopefully you like this series so far. If you like this video, let me know in the comments and give it a like and a share because it really helps me out. Thanks for watching and have a great day.